Welcome to the project demonstration of library automation system and real-time application. We are using this using Raspberry Pi, and the main application of this project is in generally whenever the books were taken by the students, the system has to remember by writing that in register manually. But now we made the system autonomously. It will take the system input from the RFID, that is nothing but the student tag, and then after the person has to show the book QR code, and we are going to attach this to the respective books. So now for demonstration we are using AC motors like that, different books, and when the person show his tag near this one, then it will ask for the show the book ID, then automatically will capture the time at which he has shown the tag along with the book ID. It will be shown here, roll number, book name and taken time. So here we are demonstrating purpose, we kept the return time is 30 seconds, but in real time we can go up to 1 week or 15 days based on the timings, and then it will show the status also whether the book written or not. And once the book was returned, then by going to the view log book, there we can see the how many students taken till now and at which time they have written, and the status also whether it is in time return or late return. So now let us see the demonstration. Initially, first of all, we need to on the hotspot in your mobile phone, and the hotspot name should be configured like project 6973, and the password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. And after that, on the hotspot, and next install network analyzer application. So we need to install network analyzer application. So using that application only we can see the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So with that only we can access the Raspberry Pi data, right? And now open the laptop and connect the laptop to the same Wi-Fi. Means the laptop and the Raspberry Pi should be in same network, so that we can access the so-called log data. And now on the power supply to this Raspberry Pi. So after enable the hotspots and wait till the 20 to 30 seconds of duration, let the Raspberry Pi boot in successfully. Once the booting successfully done, then we can see the welcome message on the LCD screen, as well as the buzzer will be beeps as indication of successfully initialized. So LAN scan and do the scan. If the Raspberry Pi connected to the mobile phone hotspot, right. So welcome to the project, and system is ready now. So LAN scan, one is our mobile phone, one is a laptop, and next third device is going to be the Raspberry Pi. So right there you can see the 192.168.124.144. So enter this IP address in your laptop which is there in the same network, and at the end colon 5000, that is a port number. The starting four numbers are the IP address of a Raspberry Pi. 5000 is a port number, and next enter. So there we can see the home page. So as of now, though there is no logs till now happened. Also here this page showing the pending books which are going to be delivered to the students. Now show the RFID tag. Show the RFID tag here. Just when we show the tag, so roll number, and for 30 seconds the system keep on scanning. If no book was shown in the 30 seconds, then automatically will go to the initial position. Right, AC motor, book was shown here. So while showing that, main thing is we should have more lighting on this QR code so that it can scan an earlier. So we can see that so-called rule number and AC motor was book taken, and as we have know that we kept 30 seconds of returning time. So status is not returned. So in between this duration, if it's not returned, then we can see again tag 2. so. Right, now the second book, same electronics, and now so these are already coming under date wise continuously. The first book was taken by first person, it's going to be the topper one, and the next, so if the person who took the book returned that in time, right, late return displayed on the LCD screen, and also it will be erased from this one, but we can see that in a logbook. Okay, it's not written and late return, so we can see the total days. We can clear the log data also if you want to erase the total data, or else if you want to store it for the future purpose, we can store this. And back to home, and this is going to be the next. So as we know, the QR code doesn't have any direction based visual. We can show it in any direction. Right, late return. By refreshing that, we can see that the book was returned. So in this one, in this screen directly home page, we can see the what are the pending books to be get from the students, means what are the books are with the student, and in the view log we can see the late return. Late return means at which time the book was taken, at which time the book was returned, along with the roll number of the student, along with the book name. So in this manner we can maintain the library logbook in detail in real time with Raspberry Pi.